Hello friends, welcome to Rio's time.
I'm going to tell you the 28 states and 8 union territories of India along with their capitals. States and capitals: Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati; Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar; Assam, Dispur; Bihar, Patna; Chhattisgarh, Raipur; Goa, Panaji; Gujarat, Gandhinagar; Haryana, Chandigarh; Himachal Pradesh, Shimla; Jharkhand, Ranchi; Karnataka, Bengaluru; Kerala, Tirunantapuram; Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal; Maharashtra, Mumbai; Manipur, Imphal; Meghalaya, Shillong; Mizoram, Aizawl; Nagaland, Kohima; Odisha, Bhubaneswar; Punjab, Chandigarh; Rajasthan, Jaipur; Sikkim, Gangtok; Tamil Nadu, Chennai; Telangana, Hyderabad; Tripura, Agartala; Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow; Uttarakhand, Dehradun; West Bengal, Kolkata. Union territories and capitals: Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair; Chandigarh, Chandigarh; Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, Daman; Delhi, New Delhi; Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar in summer and Jammu in winter; Ladakh, Leh; Lakshadweep, Kavarati; Puducherry, Puducherry.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.